Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel ni Debbie Wambo kama kawa Ada. And yes guys, today I'm at Shanghai. Kwani leo Debbie yako wapi? Niko Hotel Vesaroni and yeah, leo ndiko nafanyia our video. And by the way guys, I'm so happy to reach 2,000 subscribers. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I love you so much. I don't take it for granted, my love. And also, come on, you subscribe and watch video, you subscribe. Kindly hit that subscription button. Road to 3K subscribers. Yay! And so, guys, today we are doing a video called answering your questions. Nilikuwa nimeandika IG na Facebook. Sema maswali zenye nazitaka nijibu. And these are some of the questions that I'm going to answer. And yes guys, and the first question, the most asked question, students na hii ama nimalizie nayo, the most asked question, acha ikuwe hapo katikati. The first question is, who's the friend that supports you the most? Well, I can't tell because all my friends support me, but I think the friends who support me most, I think they are gents, because hadi nikiangalia kwa baya watu wenye wamewatch video zangu sana kwa gents. And thank you, continue watching and subscribing and sharing my videos. Gents, I love you so much. Yes guys, then so there's a compliment here that's saying, just wanted to remind you how awesome you are. Thank you, I appreciate. Another one is, the next question is, who are you crushing right now? Wow. Should I tell you? Okay, tasema jina lakini hamtajua ni nani. Obviously anaitwa Sam. He's my crush. I'm crushing on him. Lakini sijui kama najua. I don't know. Najaribu kushoot my shot. Anyway, the next question is, who are you trying to impress? Me, I don't impress anyone. I don't try to impress anyone. I'm just me. I don't try to impress anyone. So, hapo kidogo it's a no. Are you single or taken? This is the most asked question. Nimeona mara kama 1, 2, 3, 4 mara 4. This is the most question asked. Bado, I'm not single and I'm not taken. Okay, what am I saying? Niko single and I'm not taken. Yes. So you can shoot your shot. You may be the lucky one. Anyway, maybe. The next question is, what's your favorite song? My favorite song is, mwe inapotea, lakini naijua guys. Hiyo ndio favorite. Sijui mwe inapotea saa hii. Ama nijue niko kwa lights, camera, action. Anyway, imepotea but nikikumbuka nikiedit nitaiweka hapo. Yes, the next question is, how old are you if you don't mind? Right now, I am 23, but turning 24 in the next 2 weeks from now, because my birthday is June 24th this month. So I expect gifts, guys. I expect kufanya unbox gifts with me, okay? I'm expecting it to be a gift. My birthday is around the corner. The next question is, ati naweza leta mahali kwetu. I can see a future in your eyes. Anyway, shoot your shot tuone kama ita make. Okay? The next one is, hizi zilikuanga mingi. Are you in a relationship? What do you love most about yourself? Napenda vitu mingi. Ya kwanza ni courage, nakuanga very courageous. Ya pili ni pia kiburi nakuanga hapo. I guess siwezi ingia place alafu nisikie umenishusha confidence. Siwezi shusha, nitakuwa na kiburi, nitaingia hapo na nitajipresent venye nafaa. So I think I love about myself. Another one is, my mind is smart sometimes, not sometimes, always, cause naweza enda place yenye iko na people who are higher than me and I will present myself well. Pia naweza enda place yenye my rika yangu iko pia naweza serve the purpose well. And yes, those are some of the things that I love about myself. The next question is, who is your best friend? You all know her, anaitwa she. Yeah, anaitwa she. Yes. The next question is, will you go for looks or personality? Personality. My tongue. Will you go for looks or personality? It's only tricky. For me, first impression matters. Then from there, I will go for personality. So I'll go for both. Yeah. The next question is, who do you text the most? I don't have a specific person that I text the most. Sina specific. But mwenye tunaongeanga naye almost every day, it's my big sister. Sijui kama ni venye ako around the corner, and also she's kind of my friend. Yeah, I text her the most. Not the most, but every day. Like siwezi kosa, like siko wezi isha kama sijaongea na sister yangu mkubwa. So I text her the most, kinda. How are you today? I'm okay. Thank you for checking up on me. I'm fine. The next one is, please be my friend. I really like you. Why not? Why not? I'm a friendly person, so why not? I will definitely. The next one is, who are you avoiding right now? The person that I'm avoiding. Am I avoiding anyone? Let me see. I don't think I'm avoiding anyone. Yeah, I'm avoiding someone. Yeah, for some reasons here and there. The next one is, who do you have a crush on? Here nimejibu. Who do you miss? My sister, because she's abroad, but she's coming probably this month or next month. So I miss her a lot. Yeah. The next question is, are you seeing anyone or you're single? Here nimejibu. Can we be besties? Yes, we can. We can be friends. If our vibes match, we can be friends. The next one is, who was the last girl you texted? Siko sure, labda ni Mo. The guy was the last person because tulikuwa tukuje na yeye huku leo. Nioka. Anyway, she was the last person that I texted. Then the next is a reminder that you are awesome in every way. Wow, you any compliment. Thank you. I appreciate. The next question is, can you set me up with a friend, please? Which friend of mine do you want? I have so many friends. Just text me the name down below and I will hook you up immediately, but at a fee. Yeah, at a fee, I will hook you up. Yes. The next question is, favorite artist. My favorite artist ni mwenye, my favorite song ambaye ni wa Tanzania, lakini ni bora nimshukuru Mungu kwa hivi nilivyo, na hata that's the favorite song, and one of the song is my favorite artist. Yeah. The next question is, I have a crush on you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran. You're cute. Shukran. How tall am I? Sijui 5 point something. I think 5.2 ama 5.1. 5.1 ama 5.2. Siko sure ni gani. Hapo katikati. How is the week taking you? I can't complain. Bora niko na good health and niko na pesa, niko sawa. Whose location do you have? Whose location do I have in terms of friends ama sijaelewa hiyo swali vizuri. Kuna kgs ngapi? Guys, siko mbaya vile na siko well, niko 50 plus. I think that's a nice answer. Niko 50 plus. Yes. What's your favorite color? Guys, sina specific favorite color, but anything shouting attractive mimi nasonga nayo. Kama leo nimevaa luminous green na loyal blue, anyway, like it's not a favorite color, but anything shouting na attractive, I can go with it. And so guys, many questions zenye nimejibu, mingi hapa ni compliments. And yes guys, thank you for your questions. Yes guys, you can call it a wrap up. Yes guys, thank you for your participation. Follow me on all platforms at Debbie Wambo, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Continue subscribing, liking my content, sharing, and also commenting down below. Tell me the next video that you want me to do. I'm a collab with someone. It's our letter. And yes guys, bye bye.